Welcome to another new course of MrLopezClasses.com. This is the new course of marine diesel engines. The course starts pretty soon. The course starts on May 16 and the course will finish on June 28. It's a long course because this is normally the course of Diesel 1 and Diesel 2 together. In that course we are going to follow our marine diesel engines book. This is the book for the course. And you can join to the course easily. It's too simple. You go into my webpage, MrLopezClasses.com, and in the webpage you have the option for books, for videos, for courses. In the option courses, you have 12 courses. And one of the courses is diesel class. You make a click over there, and you have the option to enroll in the course. As soon as you pay, you receive 3 elements. The first element is the syllabus roadmap. This is the syllabus roadmap. With the syllabus roadmap, you can follow the class day per day, chapter by chapter, according with my recommendation. Yeah? Every day you have the option to see 1 or 2 videos. When you finish each chapter, you take the quiz, after that the final exam, and after that you can print it, the certification, the diploma, my diploma for this class. This is the first element, the syllabus roadmap. Right now we are going to talk with more details about the roadmap. The second element that you receive is an invitation. That invitation to join our team, to enter in the platform. That's the invitation. You make a click on join and immediately you are on the platform and you can see the course complete chapter by chapter, the episodes, the quizzes, the labs. That's too simple. Yeah? You receive the roadmap, you receive the invitation, and you receive the PDF for the book. You receive that book in a PDF form. What is the advantage of that book in a PDF form? It's wonderful because the book is that book in PDF, and the videos are included in the book in each chapter. In other words, if you have that book in a PDF form, you have the books forever. Doesn't matter if YouTube is closed or private or unlisted, you have the videos because you have the links. Okay? All of this is included in the price of the course. Alright, what is the mechanisms to follow the class? My classes, my online classes, are different than the traditional boring classes where the instructor is in front of the students 8 hours per day, talking and talking. It's not productive. My classes are completely different because in each chapter you have the episodes. In each episode is exactly my class, exactly the class that I teach in the classroom, with more details because the videos are accomplished with a lot of details, technical details. But it's exactly the class that I teach in my classroom, or in the lab when I teach the class in the lab. It's a wonderful class. Each episode is a magic class, believe me. I have hundreds, thousands of good comments related with my courses and my classes. A lot of comments, a lot of good comments related with my courses. The people enjoy those classes, especially this class, the diesel class. Why? Because this is the next part. Because the project for this class is a big project. We are going to repair a diesel engine. Complete. We are going to rebuild the engine. Those are the labs. Yes. We are going to remove the heads and we are going to repair the heads. That's it. We are going to remove the piston. We are going to replace the piston rings. We are going to hunt the cylinder. Look at that procedure to hunt the cylinder. It's a complete procedure to hunt the cylinder. We are going to take measurements of all the bearings. We are going to check the tolerance of the bearings with the plastic gauge technique. We are going to reassemble the engine again. We are going to analyze the codes. Yes, this is a great lab because we are going to play, we are going to analyze, we are going to create a forum for troubleshooting. And the last part of the class is a wonderful class because we are going to convert a regular engine, naturally aspirated, into a supercharged engine. Yes, we are going to calculate, we are going to size the turbo for that naturally aspirated engine. Yes, we are going to do all the calculations, and we are going to calculate the CFM and the boost pressure recommended for that particular engine. Nice. Yes, that's your project. Of course, now the engine is supercharged and that engine produces more torque. For that reason, we are going to calculate the motor mounts with that procedure. The procedure to calculate the motor mounts. It's a nice process to calculate the motor mounts appropriated for that engine. This is the last part. This is wonderful. We are going to calculate everything. This is a unique course for diesel engines. This class is not a specific class in a specific brand. It's not Caterpillar, it's not Volvo, it's not Cummins. No, this is generic. But in this class, when you finish this class, you are ready to take the certification that you wanted in any manufacturer and also the ABYC certification. Those certifications are not included in this class. But at the end of this course, you are ready to take any of those certificates. Believe me. You need only follow the roadmap, day per day, video per video, hand with me. Each Wednesday, we have a conference. It's a wonderful conference. This is the conference. Yes, in the conference, we create a discussion with my students, talking about different topics, talking about the videos of the previous week, solving real problems with my students. This is each Wednesday at 3 p.m. East time of the United States. Yeah, that's the conference. And also each Friday, in some cases, Friday and Thursday, in general is each Friday, we have a lab. Those wonderful labs. In the roadmap, you have a short video where I explain the lab. You can do the lab by yourself. You can do the lab in your school with your instructor. You follow my recommendations and you do the lab. If you have an old engine, a small diesel engine, abandoned generator, you can repair that motor in this class. This is your project. You follow my recommendations day per day, and you are ready to repair the engine. And learn a lot. Please, I recommend, if you have a chance, try to buy an old engine diesel, small, and try to repair that engine following my recommendation. This is a wonderful project. In each chapter, we have a special project for that Friday in the lab. For example, in the cooling systems. In the cooling system, we are going to disassemble the raw water pump. We are going to check the strainer. Also, we are going to check the heat exchanger. We are going to clean, we are going to remove internally the pipes on the heat exchanger, and with the water, we are going to flush the system. We are going to understand what is the meaning of a heat exchanger, raw water pump, a strainer. This is a complete course. My friends, you have time right now. Try to enroll in the course. Don't forget www.mrlopezclasses.com. You enter in the option courses and you enroll in the course of this one. I hope you be enrolled. I hope you be part of this wonderful course. I am 100% sure that you will enjoy and you will learn a lot in this wonderful course. See you then.